This is Craig, the Detail Pro, on location in Cape Coral. We have a 2001 Dodge Sebring here. You can see the headlights are quite foggy, faded, and cloudy. Okay, we're gonna see what we can do with these. Alright, I just got done with this 01 Sebring. I did the headlights on her. They turned out real nice. Took me about, I'd say, around 40 minutes. They were pretty bad. Had to do a lot of sanding on them. And these should stay looking good for a long time. Okay, I put my Teflon sealer on there. And I'm charging her $39. Okay. Here we go. This is Craig, the Detail Pro, on location, Cape Coral, signing off.